These 6 shocking animal encounters will surely give you severe insomnia for many nights to come. Number 6. The beginning of this clip shows a group of tourists slowly approaching an enormous bison, peacefully grazing on grass in Yellowstone National Park. Eventually, the animal seems to be getting agitated, so some of the tourists try to evacuate the area, but that only makes the beast angrier. Fortunately, the herbivore stops and leaves the group alone in the end. Number 5. Nepal is definitely a wonderful place to visit, unless you come across one of these beasts. This scary video starts off with a biker and his partner setting off on a journey towards the mountains. After entering the rugged mountains, the bikers continue riding for minutes on end before encountering something rather unusual.
Yeah, there's some snow patches. Oh! Yeah! Oh.
Although the yak backs off for a few seconds, the two enter a staring contest amidst the man's failed attempts to scare the animal away.
We're looking a little dangerous here. Oh, you mother... Get back. Go, keep going.
Luckily for him, the animal wasn't in the mood for a fight, which allowed him to turn around and continue biking unharmed. Number 4. Set in Delhi Zoo. This nail-biting video shows a hippopotamus attempting to escape its enclosure, as onlookers watch in sheer horror. After catching wind of what is happening, one of the zoo's staff calms the onlookers and attempts to contain the situation by doing this.
ये तो बहुत डेंजरस है यार।
Fed up with the assault, the massive hippo decides to fight back and so takes matters into its own mouth. In the end, the hippopotamus surrenders and retreats into its enclosure. Number 3. An angry animal and a safari car never bodes well, and this clip here is proof of that. The terrifying moments were captured in February of 2016, when an outrageous rhino came charging at an SUV car.
No, stay. Stay firm.
The rhino came straight at the car a second time, with terrified tourists still sitting inside it. Finally, when the rhino's rage was over, the driver moved the car away, after watching such scary close calls. Number 2. If you ever wondered how men used to protect themselves from the wild back in the old days, watch this. This fierce clip shows an even more fierce battle between a man and a moose in Sweden. When the big moose came running towards this couple, the girl ran off, but the man knew exactly throat to screen the moose away. The guy stood firmly, while the moose made his way back from where he had come from. That's one big risk he dared taking. Number 1. After watching this clip, I doubt you will ever go biking in reserve forest with your buddies again. This spine-chilling encounter happened in the Indian state of Kerala. The clip begins with two men riding a bike when a juvenile elephant came charging at them. The two of them ran for their lives, leaving the bike lying on the ground. The elephant halted his charge after some seconds, but I am just sitting here in front of my screen, wondering what if the elephant hadn't stopped. Thanks for watching until the end. Check out these other videos you might also like.